What makes us different? Is it the way we build? The materials we use? The time we dedicate? Or is it the passion we put into each project that makes us different? Maybe it is that we like to reach the end of the day knowing that we have managed to do less of the same to make the difference. That we are professionals committed to giving more than the rest, to help you in every stage to get further, developing complete works with all our services, building the future today, from the beginning to the delivery. The difference? It is that we keep an eye on everything and we keep nothing to ourselves, because we are integral solutions in construction projects. Zaragoza 2012. 15 years building the future today.